Okay, my name is B.D. Douch, and I have Earth Trine Farm, and we've got about 10 acres in Ojai and 5 acres in Carpinteria that we're farming on. It's all certified organic by CCOF, which is a certifying organization. Well, it's the meeting place. It probably fulfills roles that community centers or even churches, to a certain extent. You know, I don't want to minimize the presence of religion in people's lives, but it has a similar kind of relationship with the community, and it just brings us together. And you see old friends, meet new friends, and everybody shows up and lingers.
My name is Justin West, and I'm from Restaurant Julienne. We buy organic at Julienne because it tastes better and because we appreciate the relationship that has been developed farmer to restaurant. I don't know how I'd run my restaurant without all these farms, that's for sure. This is where the magic starts.
Feel really easy. If you're on the run.
My name and where I'm from, my name is Owen, and I work at the Hungry Cat. Organic and local because it's eating local is the way we should be eating. I mean, there's no reason for us to go 500 miles. You know, we don't need anything from Iowa or anything from farther than what we can do here. And so the farmers market here allows us to have a product from, say, 70 miles, 50 miles, you know, from, say, local, Goleta and Oxnard and whatnot.
Hi, I'm Sarah Gosselin. I'm from Goleta, California. I come to the market to support local farmers and to know where I'm getting my food from. I love to know that my fruits and veggies are locally grown and organic. I think very positively. Everyone comes together. I love the feel and the energy, and I think it's a great opportunity to shop locally and just get all the good stuff.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
I'm John Downey. I'm the owner of Downey's Restaurant. I'm the chef of Downey's Restaurant. I go shopping at the farmer's market and then go to Vaughn's. Easy. You know, it's the quality of the produce that you can find, the freshness of the produce that you can find, the variety, and the care that goes into producing it. There's a sense of community. You know, you see the same people there at the same time, week after week.